At exactly 8 a.m., the bell rings at the government school. Two teachers, Ravi, sir, and Meera, ma'am, arrive at the school at the same time. Both are equally hardworking and deeply care for their students. However, their way of working was different. Ravi, sir, spent almost half of his day dealing with paperwork, attendance registers, examination results, timetables, and departmental reports. By the end of the day, he was exhausted. He often felt that he had become more of a clerk than a teacher. On the other hand, Meera, ma'am, had learned how to use AI effectively. AI helped her manage attendance records, organize reports, create timetables, and prepare drafts of official letters. However, Meera, ma'am, always reviewed and verified everything before using it. Now, she had gained the most precious gift time, and every extra moment was dedicated to her students.
Meera ma'am, how do you get all your work done so quickly?
So quickly.
Wow,
I have a smart assistant.
who is it?
AI, sir.
Is it safe, ma'am?
I make the decisions. I teach my students. I help them understand. AI simply takes care of the administrative work.
Ravi sir also started learning to use AI. Little by little, he began saving valuable time, just like Meera, ma'am. Now, both teachers were able to spend more time with their students. The school's academic performance began to improve, the children smiled more, and the parents were happier too.
A great teacher is one who uses technology to save time, but the heart of education must always remain human.